Hi there. Let's build your Prismic Tabletop Heart Lantern. This project will likely take about an hour to complete. We've conveniently indexed each step of the building process. This means you can follow along and build with us, or use the index to skip ahead to the specific step you're working on. Before we begin, your Prismic kit has everything you need to get started. Have a look through and locate the 4 Prismic panels, locking pins, LED lights, double-sided tape, round acrylic base, and a pointed bamboo stick to help you punch out holes. You'll notice a protective film on both sides of the panels. Peel them off now or as you go, whatever works best for you. Let's get started. Lay out the Prismic panels like this. This will help you visualize how everything fits together as we work through the steps. Some panels may look identical to you, but they're not. Double-check each panel against the one you see here on the screen or in your instruction book. A misplaced or reversed panel can throw off the whole build, so take your time and check them now. Pick up panel number 1, this one. The panel number looks like this. Don't worry if your panels don't have a number. Just make sure the pieces are arranged exactly like we're showing you here and in your instruction booklet. Now, fold the panel along the red and blue lines you see on your screen. The red lines fold up towards you, and the blue lines fold down away from you. Match the flat edges with the tabs, following the green arrows you see on your screen. The flat edges are the edges on the outside that don't have an obvious crease. The tabs are the edges that protrude from the main panel and have an obvious crease. The folded tabs should always go under the connecting edge inside the Prismic. Secure them with locking pins. The locking pins always go from outside the panel towards the inside. You might need to push a little to get them through. Nice! You just built the first section of your Prismic Heart Lantern. Set it aside for now while we work on the others. Pick up panel number 2, this one. Fold and bend the panels along the red and blue lines. The red lines fold up towards you, and the blue lines fold down away from you. Follow the green arrows you see on the screen to make the connections, just like what you did in step 2. It should look like this once you're done. You've completed the second section of your Prismic Heart Lantern. Take the sections you made in steps 2 and 3. Connect the flat edges to the matching tabs. Once you're done, it should look like this. Pick up panel number 3. Fold and bend the panel along the blue lines. Blue lines fold down away from you. It should look like this once you're done folding and bending. You just made the front-bottom section of the heart. Take the panel you made in Step 5 and connect it to the 2 panels from Step 4. Join the flat edges to the matching tabs. It should look like this once it's connected. We're almost there. With your Prismic Tabletop Heart nearly complete, it's time to add the LED lights. There's no right or wrong way to do this because either way, no matter how you place them, your Prismic will light up beautifully. Gently uncoil the LED light string into a loose bundle. Spread the lights evenly throughout the inside of your Prismic Heart Lantern by pushing it through the opening. Tie a knot where the thick part meets the thin wire to stop the cord from slipping out. The knot should sit on the thick part. It should look like this. Pick up panel number 4. Fold and bend the panel along the blue lines. Remember, blue lines fold down away from you. Follow the green arrows you see on your screen to connect the panels. It should look like this. Let's connect the final panel of your Prismic Tabletop Heart. After securing the first locking pin, pull the thick part of the cord on the LED lights between the edge, leaving the knot inside the heart. With the knot safely tucked inside the heart, connect the remaining flat edges to their matching tabs. The bundle of lights should already be inside the heart. Work your way around the sides and top, connecting as you go. Complete the side and top before moving to the connections closest to the access hole. The access hole is for your finger to reach inside the Prismic. It will help you connect the hard-to-reach final connections. Once finished, your Prismic Tabletop Heart should look like this. Let's secure the heart to its base. We'll use the double-sided tape matching the heart's bottom shape. Peel off one side of the double-sided tape and carefully stick it to the bottom of the heart. Now, peel off the second side of the tape. Center the heart on the round acrylic base and press down gently to secure it in place. And there you have it! You've built your very own Prismic Tabletop Heart Lantern. Congratulations! Plug it into a USB port, turn off the lights, and admire your handiwork. We hope you've enjoyed making your Purple Ladybug Prismic 3D Lantern. Connect with us on social media or sign up to join our email list at plbfun.com/VIP. We love treating our VIPs right. Have fun showing off your beautiful Prismic Lantern.